This truck, arriving in the grounds of the Lufthansa Flight Training Center, has a very important payload. It left England 3 days ago and was only allowed to drive at night. The cargo's insurance premium alone would buy you an unparalleled luxury holiday. There's a new addition to the Lufthansa flight training family. The first A380 simulator has just landed in Frankfurt. The huge simulator is still not in the simulator hall. It's a tricky business, shifting several valuable tons of equipment. Even for Lufthansa specialists, the first A380 simulator is anything but routine. Inch by inch, Lufthansa's new flagship trainer is eased into the interior of the simulator hall. But it still takes weeks of hard work before the A380 simulator is fully installed. And before Lufthansa's pilots can begin their simulated flight training, the new A380 has to pass a slew of stringent tests. Working hand in hand, Lufthansa experts and specialists from the French-British simulator producer Thales put the €19 million worth of training equipment through its paces. For 120 Lufthansa pilots, this simulator will soon introduce them to the new future of flying. Right now, the test engineers are still in charge. Frankfurt's apron comes into view, and it's ready to roll. The so-called deflection test is really tough, taking the new Airbus A380 simulator to the limits. High-tech software simulates unusual flight altitudes, tricky maneuvers, and weather situations down to the last detail. The results? All systems go. The simulator for the world's largest passenger aircraft does exactly what it's supposed to. And Lufthansa's first A380 simulator is ready for takeoff.